Video today we have Harbor Freight new tools. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Big shout out to my man Josh for letting us know about the new tools. I do apologize, I've not been uploading a lot of videos lately, and it probably will not throughout the summer. I am pretty much swamped. I am loaded with work and not able to do as much videos as I was doing in the winter due to work. So just keep that in mind. I will still be uploading as much as I can. Alright, so we got the Daytona 3-ton low profile Super Duty rapid pump low profile jack orange. So $229.99. Alright, the next one down. So this pretty much looks like the old, like the regular jack. This is the Super Duty, so this means this is the yellow one. You know, guys, if you guys know about the yellow one, the yellow one's the better jack of all of them. I think this is when it says Super Duty, it means it's you know, the better jacks basically. This is the 3-ton low profile Super Duty rapid pump in red. So $229, same thing. Here's the new generators. If you guys haven't seen our video, we did go to Harbor Freight. We do those videos shopping around in Harbor Freight, and we did see the new generators. So if you guys want to check that video out, I'll see if I can link it up above. If not, just gonna look at my channel, 2Head147. And 1400 watt super quiet inverter generator. It says these are inverter generators. If you guys don't know what inverters are, they're cleaner energy, so you can run your sensitive equipment like, you know, your ACs, your computers, your TVs, your fans. Because sometimes you'll hear that noise when you have that fan on. The motor is like struggling. It's like zzz. You'll hear that, and if you have an inverter, it just works really smooth. That's the difference. So cleaner energy, $429.99. This is not the price, guys. You guys know Harbor Freight. They're gonna have sales on these. So you guys know this is definitely gonna go down in price. You got 1800 watt gas powered portable generator. Same thing. I believe it's no, this one's not an inverter. So cold secure. I wonder what this is. Cold secure is. So 1800 watt lightweight generator provide reliable power, variety of power applications. $279. Yeah, this is a smaller unit here. Let's see here. Like I said, they're gonna have sales on these, so just keep that in mind. You got a 4400 watt inverter generator. So this is inverter, this higher quality, $599.99. Then you got a 4440 watt inverter generator with cold secure carb, $590. So what's the difference in between these two? You got EPA 3, and you got a carb here. Who knows what that is? You got 8750 watt inverter generator with cold secure, $1199.99. Guys, we did go to the store. If you guys want to see this at the store, this thing's huge. Like I said, check out that video. This thing was bigger than the cart I was, you know, rolling around the store there. It made the cart look like a little toy cart. This huge box here. This thing's like massive. It's a 9500 watt super quiet inverter generator. So this is a quiet and inverter generator it's basically like a whole house unit, and it's quiet. So these are rare to find, guys. I believe only a few other companies make that. Yes, this compared to Honda, $5,000. So yeah, you could easily say that Hondas are like super expensive. So definitely check it out if you're in the market for something like this. This thing's a beast. Alright, the next one down, we got the Hercules reciprocating saw tool only. It's a 20 volt. It is a brushless. So guys, we do currently have a reciprocating saw already for Hercules. I was just talking with Josh the other day. He mentioned that we have already reciprocating saw, but this is a brushless. Just keep that in mind. This is brushless, means, you know, more power, obviously better runtime, more efficiency on the battery. $109.99 for that. And we got the Badland Apex 12,000 winch steel rope. Guys, if you guys same thing with this is different. The other one that we have is the regular rope that it has. This one's the steel rope, so it's a little different. So $549.99. And then this one's the Badland winch furlough mounts, $19.99. You got a Hallmaster 800-pound universal aluminum truck rack. That's a nice little rack there, $279. You got a Luminar Outdoor 1250 lumen soft shade portable lantern, $28.99. And you got a remote control helicopter, $24.99. Yeah, this thing must be hard to control. One time I bought one of these and I crashed it. So, well, not this kind, obviously. I gotta try this one. This one's the dual propeller. They say these are easier to handle. I just had the single propeller. That thing just crashed. You got the Icon Professional socket adapter, 4-piece, $16.99. You know what, guys? I always like to pick up myself a few of these, because you never know what you're gonna be ending up. You know, if you don't have a socket for that size, you don't have that. You have an impact gun, you know, a 1/2 inch impact gun. Obviously, you can put a smaller socket in there. You have a ratchet, you know, 3H ratchet. You want to put something bigger, and you don't have that socket in that size. That's why I always like to keep a few of these extra in each tool bag or tool, you know, in the truck or whatnot. 6-inch dial caliper, $49.99. You got a cotton swab assortment, 175 piece, $4.99. 1.2 amp detail corner sander, $19.99. You got the 900 lumen free rechargeable, hands-free rechargeable headlamp, $34.99. Gotta check this out. 65 watt equivalent dimmable indoor floodlights, 2-pack. Oh, this is nice. $9.99. You got Luminar Everyday 60 watt dimmable indoor LED light bulb, $5.99. And then you got 100 watts. Definitely the better buy here. 100 watt indoor light bulb, 2-pack, $1.99. So $5 a piece basically. Large inside corner tool, $5.99. I believe this is for drywall and stuff like that. Plastic taping knife, 3-piece, $3.99. So basically we got some, you know, paint stuff like that. A Spectrum paint system adapter, $8.99. We got a blade, 7¼ 24 tooth framing circular saw blade, $15.99. And this is a new Icon that everybody's talking, all the YouTubers are talking about. Icon 3/8 dry professional ratchet, genuine 24 karat gold plated. So this is pretty much just, you know, bath in 24 karat gold, $59.99. I personally have no interest in this, unless you're like a tool collector, or if you like to keep your tools really nice. Compact set on creeper, $49. Now this is something I would definitely use on this for my brake jobs and oil changes. Not oil changes, but my brake jobs, basic suspension work. I can do a $49, and it's definitely not really nice. Now that the heat's coming here in the Arizona, 20-inch high velocity floor fan, $49.99. Got the Badland Apex short drum aluminum hose fairlead, $19.99. And then you got another one here. You got a 5-inch by 36 grit Circlania Type 27 flap disc, $7.99. Let's see if there's more good stuff here. Got a hose here. It says Niagara 50 feet premium ultra flexible kink free garden. I gotta try this out. I know the other one wasn't as good. It says compare it to Flexzilla. So we gotta try this out. You got Niagara 50 feet lightweight kink free woven hose, $29.99. Got a Merlin. If you guys don't know Merlin is a great brand from Harbor Freight. It is one of their better brands from you know, air tools, like air accessories, couplers, and hoses. Now hoses. So definitely check out, you know, the blue packaging from Merlin. $14.99. That's the better brand there. 1500 lumen LED flashlight, 24. Oh guys, this is back. If you guys want to check out the video, I did a video on this when this thing barely first came out back in the day when I started this YouTube channel. This thing showed up. I bought one of these and almost burned my truck up. Basically, I put this. They probably fixed it already, so this is just a story I'm gonna tell you from way before. They probably just fixed the problem already. So disregard, the bad portion of this. But yeah, I got this thing I'm sitting at the parking lot right after I get out of the store. Or first thing I do is I get this thing and I put it inside the cigarette lighter. And next thing you know, I can't take it off. I can't take it off. And when I yanked on it, all this broke off, and just the metal parts just stayed in there. And pretty much, it did like a short circuit, and it burned my fuse and everything, and I almost burned the truck. By doing that. So, long story short, that's what happened there. If you guys want to check out that video or that story or whatnot, you guys want to see me back in the day, I'm a little bit different now, but go check out that video. It's one of my first videos. I just put that super bright light mini flashlight. Maybe it'll come pop up there. Anyways, you got some Gorilla 1 3/4 30 yards multi-purpose tape, $14.99. See what else. We already went over this. This is the upgraded Hercules saw with the nice rack and pinion fence. If you guys haven't checked that out, make sure you check out my other video. I did show you guys that. So that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys